select science after your 10th, then your science subject will be divided into three parts: chemistry, physics, and biology, or maths. Out of these three subjects, we will talk about chemistry only. Chemistry is the most interesting subject of the science. If we define the chemistry, then chemistry is the science of atoms and molecules. Chemistry is the science of atoms and molecules. Our day-to-day life is very difficult without chemistry. Without chemistry, we cannot imagine our day-to-day life. Means from early morning to evening, whatever we use is the concepts of chemistry. Let us take some examples. If we use medicine, then medicine are prepared in chemical industry, pharmaceutical industry by using the concepts of chemistry. If we are using the food of outside, then it contains artificial color, artificial sweetening agent, artificial some compound, preservative. They all are chemical compound and they are prepared in chemical industry by using the concepts of chemistry. Then agriculture, it is the wide field where chemistry is being used as a pesticide, insecticide, fertilizer. Also plastic is prepared in chemical industry, polymer, cloth, fuel, soap, detergent, etc. It means from early morning to evening in our day-to-day life, chemistry is very useful. Chemistry is everywhere. Means without chemistry, our day-to-day life is difficult. So we will discuss about the chemistry. According to definition में हमने क्या देखा? Chemistry is the science of atoms and molecules. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल केमिस्ट्री स्टडी करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको नॉलेज होना चाहिए एटम का. व्हाट इज एटम? बिकॉज डेफिनेशन में हमने सबसे पहले वही लिख दिया, केमिस्ट्री इज द साइंस ऑफ एटम. देन वी मस्ट हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ एटम. व्हाट इज एटम? एटम इज अ ग्रीक वर्ड. एटम का यदि हम डेफिनेशन देखें और एटम को यदि हम डिटेल में देखें तो एटम इज मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड, ए प्लस टॉम. ग्रीक वर्ड. A means non, anti. Tomio means cuttable. Atom is uncuttable, मतलब indivisible. Atom is indivisible. Means we cannot divide the atom further. According to this word, atom is Greek word, uncuttable, indivisible. It means atom is the fundamental particle of this universe. Means all universe, each and every matters are made up of atom. Atom is the fundamental particle of this universe. Means each and every matter are made up of atom. If you divide anything, any matter, then ultimately it will stop at atom. Suppose we take an example of our body. Then body is made up of system like respiratory system or digestive system or reproductive system or muscular system. Then systems are made up of organ, kidney, liver, heart. Organs are made up of tissues, tissues are made up of cell, cell are made up of protein, lipid, glycogen, DNA, RNA. They all are made up of atoms ultimately. Means our body is ultimately made up of atom. Atom is fundamental particle of this universe. Each and everything are made up of atom. Suppose we take an example of this chalkstick. Chalkstick is made up of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Then calcium is atom, carbon is atom, oxygen is atom. Means this chalkstick is also made up of atom. This bench is also made up of atom. Bench is made up of wood. Wood is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are atoms. So ultimately each and everything are made up of atom. And the chemistry is the science of atom. So we must have the knowledge about atoms. Atom is the fundamental particle of this universe. Each and everything are made up of atom. Initially, it was believed that atom is indivisible, means each and everything are made up of atom, but atom is made up of nothing. Atom is ultimately particle. But after many experiments, it was found that atom is also made up of three fundamental particles called proton, neutron and electron. So now atom is not fundamental. Atom is also made up of three particles called proton, neutron and electrons. केमिस्ट्री को हमने क्या डिफाइन किया? केमिस्ट्री इज द साइंस ऑफ एटम. एटम क्या है? तो फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज मेड अप ऑफ एटम. एटम इज मेड अप ऑफ थ्री फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल कॉल्ड प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन. If we see the structure of atom, then atom contains one center which is called nucleus. Nucleus contains proton which is positively charged and neutron which is neutral, and electrons are outside to the nucleus which are revolving around the nucleus in circular path. This circular path is called orbit. This is the structure of atom. It is orbit and it is nucleus. So basically atom is made up of three fundamental particles, proton, neutron and electron. Now there are number of atoms present in periodic table like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. They all are given some specific symbols. They all are given some specific number. They are called atomic number. Let us study about the representation of atoms. Element is represented in symbolic form as like this: X, Z, A. Here X is a symbol of element. Z atomic number. Z is a atomic number and A is atomic mass. Atomic mass. X is symbol. Suppose we take an example of carbon. Carbon 6, 12. Then 6 is Z, atomic number. This is symbol of carbon and this is atomic mass. Suppose we take an example of oxygen. Atomic number 8, symbol O, atomic mass 16. Then we take an example of sodium. Atomic number 11, symbol Na, atomic mass 23. Phosphorus 15, 31. It is the symbolic representation of any element. There are number of elements in periodic table. Almost periodic table is now completed. तो केमिस्ट्री को हमने बोला कि इट इज द साइंस ऑफ एटम. तो एटम के बारे में हमें थोड़ा बहुत पता होना चाहिए और तभी हम आगे केमिस्ट्री का स्टडी कर सकते हैं. तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द फर्स्ट चैप्टर वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द एटम. वी मस्ट हैविंग सम नॉलेज, बेसिक नॉलेज अबाउट द एटम. एंड एटम के बारे में हमने देखा कि एटम इज मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन. प्रोटॉन इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, न्यूट्रॉन इज न्यूट्रल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज. प्रोटॉन इज प्रेजेंट इन न्यूक्लियस, न्यूट्रॉन इज प्रेजेंट इन न्यूक्लियस, इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. इट इज द सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एटम. सिंबल ऑफ एलिमेंट, एटॉमिक नंबर, एटॉमिक मास. नाउ प्रोटॉन का यदि हम मास देखें, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो प्रोटॉन का मास है 1.6 इंटू 10 रेज टू 1.67 इंटू 10 रेज टू -27 किलोग्राम. न्यूट्रॉन का मास ऑल्सो 1.67 इंटू 10 रेज टू -27 किलोग्राम. 1.67 into 10 raised to -27 kilogram. Mass of proton and neutron are almost similar, almost equal. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to -31 kilogram. So you can see that the mass of electron is negligible, very very less compared to the mass of proton and mass of neutron. Now एटम का यदि हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन देखें तो हमने अभी देखा था कि प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन आर प्रेजेंट इन न्यूक्लियस and electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Suppose we talk about the atom of carbon, then carbon is having 6 proton in nucleus, 6 neutron in nucleus and 6 electrons around the nucleus. 6 electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Now we will discuss about the atomic number, atomic mass and the symbolic representation of atom. Atomic number Z is equal to क्या होता है तो number of proton और number of electron. Number of proton or number of electron. ये atomic number है. Atomic number means number of proton present in the nucleus और नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन न्यूट्रल एटम में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है और कितने प्रोटॉन है. इट इज कॉल्ड एटॉमिक नंबर. एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 6, एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज 8, सोडियम इज 11, फॉस्फोरस इज 31. सो एटॉमिक नंबर इज नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन और नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. एटॉमिक मास. नाउ एटॉमिक मास का यदि हम डिस्कशन करें तो एटॉमिक मास इज मास ऑफ एटम. Suppose this carbon is made up of 6 proton, 6 neutron and 6 electron. तो mass of carbon is equal to क्या होगा? Mass of 6 proton, mass of 6 neutron plus mass of 6 electron. ये तीनों का यदि हम एडिशन कर दें then it is mass of carbon. Mass of 6 proton, mass of 6 neutron, mass of 6 electron. Now one proton is having mass 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27, neutron 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27, electron 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 27. During the calculation of mass of atom, we should neglect the mass of electron because the mass of electron is very less compared to the mass of proton and neutron. 10 raised to minus 31 and 10 raised to minus 27. There is very big difference. So electron is neglected. Mass of electron is always neglected during the calculation of mass of atom. So we will neglect the mass of electron. So now mass of carbon is equal to mass of 6 proton plus mass of 6 neutron. This calculation is very bigger because this number is difficult. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27. It is difficult in our routine life. इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है. सो हमने क्या किया, ये जो नंबर है ना ये 1 किलोग्राम है, इससे हमने बोल दिया 1 AMU 1.66 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 27 किलोग्राम. इसकी जगह पे हम लिखेंगे 1 AMU और 1 U दैट इज यूनिफाइड मास, एटॉमिक मास यूनिट. हर रोज इतना बड़ा कैलकुलेशन नहीं करना पड़े इसलिए हमने इसे बोल दिया 1 AMU. सो नाउ मास ऑफ 1 प्रोटॉन इज इक्वल टू 1 AMU. मास ऑफ 1 न्यूट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू 1 AMU. So we simplified the mass. So each and every time we will write down the mass of proton and neutron as 1 AMU. So it is 1 AMU, 6 proton, mass of 1 proton is 1 AMU, 6 neutron into 1 AMU is equal to 12 AMU. So mass of carbon becomes 12 AMU. So directly we can write like this, mass of carbon is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 AMU. तो हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं ना, number of proton plus number of neutron means mass of proton plus mass of neutron, because number and mass is equal. 1 proton is equal to 1 mass, 1 AMU mass, 1 neutron is equal to 1 AMU mass. So this is simplified mass, unified mass. So atomic mass becomes A is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron, and the unit of atomic mass will be AMU, unified mass. AMU, atomic mass unit, or U. What is U or atomic mass unit? So 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. That is the constitution of atom. Atom is made up of proton, neutron and electron. हमने केमिस्ट्री को पहले ही क्लासिफाई कर दिया था कि केमिस्ट्री डिफाइन कर दिया था कि केमिस्ट्री इज द साइंस ऑफ एटम एंड एटम इज द फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्स. तो एटम फंडामेंटल था, तो फर्दर एटम वाज आल्सो क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन. प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन का मास हमने देख लिया. फिर प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन के बारे में देखा. एक खास हमें पता होना चाहिए कि सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एटम, दिस इज एटॉमिक मास, एटॉमिक नंबर, एटॉमिक मास. व्हाट इज एटॉमिक नंबर? तो एटॉमिक नंबर इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्लस नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. एटॉमिक मास इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन. The unit of atomic mass is not gram or kilogram, it is AMU or U. If we want to convert this into kilogram, then multiply by 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. Now let us take some example. By using this symbol, आप ये बता सकते हैं कि नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन कितने हो गए. हमने सिंबल लिख दिया x, z, a. X is atomic number, that is number of proton. A is proton plus neutron. The number of neutron is equal to क्या होगा? A minus Z. Atomic mass minus atomic number. Let us take some example. Carbon 6, 12. Then atomic mass, atomic number is 6. Atomic mass is 12. नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन कहाँ से पता चलेंगे? एटॉमिक नंबर से पता चलेंगे. नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन ऑल्सो 6. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन भी हमें एटॉमिक नंबर से पता चल जाएंगे. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर ऑल्सो 6. नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स कहाँ से पता चलेंगे? तो A minus Z, 12 minus 6, so number of neutron is equal to 6. See, proton and electron are always equal in any neutral atom, and that's why atom is neutral. Electron may be equal to neutron may be equal to proton or may not be equal to proton, but proton or electron तो equal ही होंगे. Suppose we take an example of sodium 1123. The atomic number Z is 11. Atomic mass A is 23. Number of proton कहाँ से पता चलेंगे हमें? Atomic number से. The number of proton is equal to 11. Number of electron is also equal to 11. Atomic number. Then number of neutron is equal to 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. So number of proton and neutron are not always equal. It may be equal. Then you should be very, very clear about the atom, because chemistry is the science of atom. तो atom के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पता होना चाहिए. आगे जाके हम थोड़ी इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और then we will start the first chapter of your 11th, some basic concepts of chemistry.